The extent of the need for dentists, dental professionals, dental hygienists, dental assistants is so great.
There is an extreme shortage nationwide. In the area that I grew up in, there were just not enough for the amount of people who need care. Just being able to get back to those type of communities who lack health resources is really important.
Even in a place that's highly populated with dentists like Kansas City, there's still pockets of the community that aren't being served as much as we'd like to as a dental profession.
Our patients come from all walks of life, and I think if we're truly going to meet the need of a diverse amount of patients, we really need that to be reflected in the types of people that become dentists and dental hygienists.
When I got to middle school, I had my first Black female dentist, and so that was really inspiring to me because I had never seen anyone that looked like me in a field such as healthcare. And so I knew I wanted to do dentistry to help build people's confidence. I chose UMKC because out of all the interviews and visits that I did, this was the first school where I feel like they saw me as an individual and not as a number.
I chose UMKC based on the clinical experience that I knew I would get. This is a school where you are going to be getting as much clinical experience as you possibly could at any dental school in the country.
UMKC is really a family culture. Everyone wants to help one another, whether that be upperclassmen, people in your class, faculty. They just want to see you do your best and strive to get your degree.
Everyone is just really friendly and willing to help.
The kind of amalgamation of very tenured folks who have been here for a long time, carrying those traditions, mixed with people that are new and coming with new energy, really makes a wonderful place where there are so many different ideas and perspectives being shared.
Having the same group throughout all 4 years just makes it a really fun environment that you are pursuing a common goal with your friends, with your colleagues. The community here is not one that is competitive. It was always a welcoming community. Another benefit of going to UMKC is being in the urban environment, being in a city environment.
You get the best of both worlds. You have the opportunity to get both urban and rural experiences, live in a vibrant city.
There's just so much to do outside of school that makes it fun, stepping away from studies for a little bit or clinic activities to go hang out with friends, go to a coffee shop.
There's always something to do. I feel like there's never a boring day in Kansas City.
I'm really proud of where I've started and where I am now. All those little successes just give me reassurance that this is where I'm supposed to be.
I will be very comfortable going into the real world after graduating from the UMKC School of Dentistry.
I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be at the time that I'm supposed to be there, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to live out my dreams. It's just a really good environment. I recommend UMKC to anyone.